5 signs you're about to get payment packed without even knowing it. Hey folks, Kevin Hunter here, the homework guy, back with another car buying truth bomb. Today's topic, payment packing and how to catch it before you get robbed blind at the dealership. If you think just negotiating a good price protects you, think again, because once you sit in that finance office, the real games begin. The amazing Elizabeth joins me now as we crack open the door of truth on finance office payment packing. Elizabeth, let's first define it.
All right, Kevin. Payment packing is when the finance manager loads extra products, warranties, fees, or bogus charges into your car payment without telling you exactly what's in there. Instead of quoting you the clean monthly payment based on your agreed price, they quote you an inflated payment and hope you're too distracted or excited to buy that car that you don't even notice. And guess what? It's illegal under federal law.
That's right.
But it still happens every single day.
What laws specifically, you ask? Great question. Liz, you know the answer to that, so let's dive into it.
That's right. The law behind why payment packing is illegal. There's 2 laws. First, the Federal Truth in Lending Act. We call it TILA. Payment packing violates the Truth in Lending Act, a federal law passed in 1968. It was part of a broader Consumer Credit Protection Act. Under TILA, lenders and dealers must fully disclose the true cost of credit to the consumer. Hiding stuff in your car loan is not full disclosure.
Not at all.
They must provide clear, itemized details about the amount financed, the finance charge, which is the total dollar amount the credit will cost you, the annual percentage rate, APR, the total payments over the life of the loan, and any optional add-ons, and they must be clearly voluntary. Did you hear that? They must be clearly voluntary.
Clearly voluntary.
Whoa.
Where payment packing breaks the law when a dealer bundles hidden products into your monthly payment without separately disclosing their costs and falsely represents the actual payment as simply what the bank approved or your approved loan offer, they are violating TILA. They are misrepresenting the terms of credit, and that's illegal. Second law they're breaking, unfair and deceptive practices, UDAP laws. At the state level, most states have UDAP laws, unfair or deceptive acts or practices statutes. These laws say businesses, including car dealerships, cannot mislead or deceive consumers in a material way, hiding products inside a payment, not clearly disclosing added costs, representing an inflated payment as if it were the lender's approved amount. All of these meet the threshold to qualify as deceptive practices under most state UDAP laws. Translation, payment packing equals deceptive, misleading, and illegal under federal and most state laws.
Now, here are the warning signs that you're about to get payment packed. Number 1, they only talk about monthly payment, never price or rate. If the finance manager keeps hammering away on just the monthly payment and not the car's final price, interest rate, loan term, or added products, that's your first red flag.
They're setting you up to accept a bigger payment without you questioning them as to why.
That's right. So here's the homework guy tip. Always ask, what's the APR? What's the loan term? What's the exact breakdown of the payment? If they can't or won't answer, you're being set up.
So number 2, your payment quote is weirdly higher than you expected. Now, you did your homework. You even did the math. You calculated the car's price, taxes, fees, and your expected monthly payment. But in the finance office, they show you a number that's $50, $80, or $120 per month higher than you expected. Bingo! That extra money is likely packed products. Warranties, wheel and tire protection, key insurance, the stupid nitrogen-filled tires, and all sorts of garbage you didn't ask for. The homework guide tip right here, demand a printout of the full breakdown before signing anything. If they can't explain the difference, don't sign.
That's right. Number 3, they move really fast through the paperwork. Speed is their hidden weapon. If the finance manager is sliding papers across the desk like it's a speed dating event, rushing you to sign without time to review them, that's a dead giveaway. They want you to trust them so you won't spot the packed hidden junk in the fine print. The homework guide tip, slow them down. Say, I need time to review every line.
Take your time.
And do it. If they pressure you or get annoyed, that's confirmation that you absolutely must dig deeper.
Number 4, you're being pushed into a 72 to 84-month loan without asking. Why? Here's the dirty little finance office secret. The longer the loans they put you into, the easier it is to hide packed payments on you. Stretch a $500 add-on over 84 months, and it only bumps your monthly payment about $8 a month. Most people won't notice that, but multiply that by 4 products or the real possibility of even much more expensive add-ons, and you're easily paying $2,000 to $3,000 more over the life of the loan. A homework guide tip here: stick to 62 months so you have the best early payment option without the risk of prepayment penalties. Shorter terms, while you do run the risk of having a prepayment penalty, it is harder for them to sneak crap into your loan.
And number 5, the finance manager will ask leading questions like, would you want to protect your new investment today? You do want peace of mind for your family, right? Most smart buyers add this coverage, and you should too. These aren't casual questions. They are set-up questions designed to get you emotionally agreeing without ever telling you what it costs. And once you nod yes, they pack it right into your monthly payment without ever getting your separate, clear consent.
A homework guide tip right here: anytime they say most people do this, it's full stop.
Yep, stop.
Ask, exactly how much does this cost me? Can you show it to me separate from my car payment? If they can't or won't, just decline it. It is your legal right to say no. Payment packing is alive and well in dealerships across the country, and if you're not paying attention, it can cost you thousands of dollars on the spot. But now, after seeing this show, you should know what to look for, and you should be ready to catch them in the act. Remember, ask for the full payment breakdown. It's your legal right. Demand the final contract without any extras added, and never ever let yourself be rushed.
Folks, you do not have to put up with this kind of crap from a car dealer or the finance office. If you want us to go toe-to-toe with a car dealer on your behalf and prepare you to survive the finance office, read up about our hassle-free car buying service.
Our professional coaches do all the work so you don't have to, and we will never put you in the door with a lousy dealer like those you see showing up on our Worst Dealer of the Week show.
We're here to keep you car buyers informed, protected, and one step ahead of car dealership games. And if you didn't already do it, go to our website, thehomeworkguide.com, and download our totally free car buyers checklist. It will help you DIY car buyers avoid bad dealers. Stay smart, stay sharp, and as always, don't let the ruthless dealers out there take you for a ride.
I've said this before, folks. Our hassle-free car buying service isn't for everyone. So let me explain that. You must have your vehicle interest narrowed down to a specific vehicle. I do not want you telling us that it's one of these 5 cars or something like that. If you need help getting it narrowed down, well, buy the phone call with me and I will help you do just that. Also, I ask about test drives because we want to know for sure that you like the vehicle you chose and that it definitely works for your needs. In addition, you must be ready to pull the trigger when the right deal comes up for you.
And finally, we want to know that you can actually pay for the car when the deal is landed for you. You can be an all-cash buyer, you can do some cash and some finance, or go with all finance. It doesn't matter to us. If payment involves finance, we just want to know that you have acceptable credit so you can be approved for the loan you need. We can't get to the finish line only to find out you can't get the needed loan to pay for the car.
That's right. To all of you regular viewers and subscribers out there, you guys rock. God bless you all. I'm Kevin Hunter, the Homework Guy, signing off on behalf of Alex Stevens, our auto expert, the amazing Elizabeth, our negotiation genius, and the entire team of skilled coaches we have in our hassle-free car buying service. Please stick with us a moment as we scroll through some of our recent car buying service reviews. Thank you for listening.